Ever wondered what it's like to steer 40 tons through chaos? Today, we're jumping into the hot seat with heavy haul legends facing killer deadlines, wild terrain, and machines that don't forgive. One slip, and it's over, ready to ride the edge. Let's go. Ever seen a crane that walks on water? Meet Triton, a crane ship on the Wesel-Dattel Canal. It recovers sunken ships, moves massive port structures, and lifts colossal cargo up to 5,000 tons. With tugboats and barges, it's a full heavy-lift marvel of engineering. Holy moly, that was way too close. The front tire blew out on that massive load. Must have hit something sharp. Thank goodness the truck stayed upright. One slip here could have been disaster. Witness a landmark in heavy haul transport. South Africa's biggest abnormal load, a colossal 15.8 sausix wide, 17 feet tall storage tank, makes its epic journey. Weighing 70 tons, it travels from Sky Hill Heavy Engineering to Sasol Secunda. Power lines rerouted, traffic lights dismantled, bypass roads built. Nothing stops this massive move. This is a more than driving, it's precision under pressure. Winding up a steep mountain pass with 4 excavators stacked like dominoes. One wrong move and it's game over. Massive respect to the driver holding it steady. This is oversized hauling at its finest. Today starts with an oversized load sign, a gateway to the mind-blowing world of heavy transport. Ever tried reversing a 164-ton, super long load? Buckle up and get ready to witness the unimaginable skill and precision it takes to pull off this massive move.
Walk down the other side, you got the video.
Yeah. Oh, did I? Yeah, well,
Should have.
Yeah. Moving a 4,500-ton tugboat across land on self-propelled modular transporters is pure engineering magic. These machines endure massive pressure with flawless precision. One slip could be disaster, yet the skilled team pulls off this colossal task with nerves of steel. Truly awe-inspiring. In southern Chile, Scania, Mercedes, MAN, and Volvo trucks dominate the timber routes. Through San Rosendo, these machines haul forest gold, logs stacked to the brim. This isn't just trucking. It's the beating heart of a region where muscle, timing, and skill fuel the forestry supply chain. A ZES 100-ton gas turbine, 2 18-axle trailers, 4 trucks, and 1 mountain pass. This isn't transport, it's choreography at industrial scale. As the blue giant twists around this death-defying curve, every inch is a battle of physics, pressure, and pure nerve. And next, they go under a bridge. You won't believe what's coming. At Franzbracht KG, lifting giants is just another day at the office. Using the legendary CC 3800 crawler crane, this crew hoisted a 278-ton ABB transformer like it was weightless. Every inch up was a test of steel, skill, and split-second timing. From barge to substation, this was no ordinary delivery. It was a masterclass in megalift logistics. Forget everything you know about Big. This titanic pressure vessel, spanning over 100 meters, was moved inch by inch on a self-propelled modular transporter, SPMT, with absolute precision. This is no ordinary haul. This is mega-scale logistics in motion. One misaligned ramp, one heavy excavator, and gravity almost claimed another. The tension was real. Tracks slipped, weight shifted, and hearts stopped. Precision matters when 20 tons are hanging off the edge. That tilt, 1 second from disaster. rain pouring, traffic halted, and a 398-ton pressure vessel stretching over 67 meters crawling through tight urban streets. This isn't just transport, it's high-stakes choreography. With Nosrati's Mercedes-Benz pulling the lead, every street lamp, curb, and pole becomes a puzzle piece in this mega move. Day 1 brought snow and near whiteout turns. Day 2 brought victory. This is heavy haul at its finest. One wrong inch, and it's a 6-ton cable crane tumbling down a frozen slope. But this MB track driver? Nerves of steel. That snowy ledge looked ready to give way, yet every maneuver was dialed in tight. Precision like this turns danger into dominance. Forget average cargo. APB Plen just moved a whole ship from Daleshice to Orlik. The Vysochina vessel soared through the air by crane and glided through tight village turns like a street legend. Every meter was a dance of power, precision, and world-class coordination. This is ship transport done at an elite level. The TT-4, a Soviet-era logging beast, still dominates the roughest terrain. Built for endurance, this track titan drags massive logs with sheer force. Even after decades, it powers through mud, steep slopes, and brutal conditions like a champion, a true workhorse that refuses to quit. A 90-foot crane navigating razor-thin curves with guardrails inches away. That's pure skill in action. The driver handles this giant like a pro tightrope walker, balancing power and precision. In moments like these, it's not just about size, but mastery and nerves that win the day. They're not just hauling metal, they're moving a mechanical giant. This is the world's largest vibro-lifting tool. Fresh out of Bremen machinery, now en route to the port of Reram, Wagenborg Nedlift mapped every inch of this journey, from ultra-heavy trailers to synchronized crane lifts. It's not just transport, it's a masterclass in precision. Will they conquer the final leg to the port? Let's find out. The Panther Series 2 packs up to 130 tons of raw hauling muscle-moving giants like it's child's play. If this machine impressed you, hit that like button or drop a 1 below. Your support keeps us going strong. Once a mighty force on the tracks, the BB6 now rides silently on this lowboy trailer, slowly pushed into a new chapter. Every inch closer signals the start of tough maintenance ahead. Can't wait to see how this iron giant's journey continues. True power never fades, just transforms. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment. 1,280 tons of raw steel taking flight. The Tomoyo S-31 submarine, lifted with surgical precision, balanced on 28 axle lines and 448 tires. The Megatrans crew orchestrates every move like clockwork. This isn't just transport, it's a breathtaking display of engineering mastery. Meet the Mansonen 300, the world's largest hydraulic crane, tipping the scales at 485 tons with a jaw-dropping 38-meter reach. Moving this colossus from plant to port isn't just transport, it's a performance. Goldhofer modular trailers, precision drivers, and one epic lift onto a ship. This is big machine ballet. Sarens takes on a 230-ton reactor with precision and muscle. Riding atop Kamag SPMTs, this steel giant rolls through tight bends like a ballet dancer in boots. Every turn tests the crew. Every inch is earned. Think it's just a haul? Nah, this is the Super Bowl of heavy transport. Three colossal transformers, each a giant in its own right, begin their $2M weekend journey to the 380 kilovolts Westerly substation. Through tight city streets and narrow corners, it's not just transport, it's choreography. Sure, 000 plus horsepower of pure precision, respect to the crew. Whoa, this tractor just defied gravity, climbing boulders like it's on a mission from the gods. One wrong move and it's game over, but the operator handles it like a pro. No stunts, no second takes, just raw skill and a machine built to conquer chaos. A 15-axle modular trailer, stretching 43 meters long, hauls a 135-ton press part from Melnik Port to Oslavani. The total setup towering 85 meters high and weighing 239 tons, with push truck turned every bridge and curve into a challenge. With just one crane lifting the load and 3 intense days on the road, this is heavy haulage at its boldest. Hats off to the crew for pulling this off. A 318-ton electricity transformer, inching its way through Dover's Folkestone Road. It's not just heavy, it's history in motion. Flanked by police escorts, with extra trucks pushing and braking, every hill becomes a test of nerve and engineering. Alleys doesn't just haul, they conquer. This towering 13-ton Titan roared to life, stretching 6 meters long and 5 wide, standing tall at 5.03 meters. Hauled 110 kilometers by Capel's finest, this beast rolled on a hydraulic platform built to conquer tight turns, uneven asphalt, and shifting wind loads, a true ballet of power and precision. A 180-ton SM4 200 surface miner isn't something you just roll down the highway, hauled from Perth to Cloudbreak. This beast demanded a heavy-duty multi-axle trailer and absolute precision through rain-soaked curves and open highway. M's Transport proved once again logistics is their battlefield. Hauling iron ore 150 kilometers from the Kaunisvaara pit, these 90-ton specialized truck convoys work in perfect sync, the lead unit pulling while the rear assists with load balance. Hydraulic lift trailers tilt for smooth bulk unloading, boosting both efficiency and safety in demanding heavy haul operations. The yellow giant from Steinauer AG doesn't just haul wood waste, it redefines efficiency. With photovoltaic-powered chipping and precision unloading, each run meets ISO 17225D1 standards. Clean chips, clean power, ready for the biomass revolution. This convoy moves a colossal 182-ton generator, totaling 465 tons, with incredible precision. Shui Transport Lithofen nails every bridge and tight turn, pulled by 3 massive trucks. It's a breathtaking display of skill and teamwork, proving no haul is too tough when preparation meets mastery.